Another pour today, and as always we start off by weighing out our components and stirring the holy heck out of them, because if they are not stirred properly they do not solidify properly, and I have had that happen and it sucks because it always happens with your prettiest one. Then I wait for a while, I check the temperature to make sure I know where I'm starting in terms of how close I am to finishing it off. That's me showing off that I am in fact wearing a respirator, because safety is good and I do not want to become allergic to this stuff or have lung problems. Then I separate it out into my three colors. This is going to be a blue with some black and teal sparkles in it. This is a solid one that's getting another thing later. Then I'm doing a gold that is going to also have some swirled white in it, and that is getting poured on top of a color shift bit that I did the day before, which is why you can see the dark in the bottom there. And then I put the extra off here in this other little mold that will eventually be a bead thing. And then my third one is a white that is going to get some blue swirled in. This is me still working on my willoware look and not ever quite getting it right. We will see how this one goes. I don't think it quite worked out the way I was hoping, but, you know, such is life. Then once I get them all separated out and poured into their various molds, I then put them in my rack, put them into the pressure pot, and we'll see you tomorrow.